Hey there, everyone. It's Tuesday afternoon, and here's a quick web update for you as we roll on through another cold day. Not quite as bad as yesterday, but still pretty darn chilly out there this afternoon. Here's a live look at Niles. Now, you do need the sunglasses. We do have a mixed bag of clouds and sunshine across the region right now. It's much like yesterday. It's kind of ineffective sunshine, though, because it's not really helping us out much. Similar scene down in Boardman, looking over the Southern Park Mall. Mixed bag of clouds and sun, and cold temperatures. Here's a look at those 2 o'clock readings. 17, Sharon, Warren, Newton Falls, and Mercer. Newcastle and Elwood City also in the 17-degree club. The warm spot, Salem, at a whopping 20 degrees this afternoon. Now, the wind chills are cold, but it's not as bad as yesterday. Wind chills are actually a little above zero this afternoon. So it's cold, yes, but everything is, in comparison to the frigid weather that we had yesterday. Yesterday, our coldest day in about 11 months. All right, let's take a look briefly at the next couple of days. Temperatures tonight will back off into the single digits in most spots under a partly to mostly cloudy sky. No school adjustments tomorrow as wind chills will not be an issue. It'll just be cold. Again, those temperatures and wind chills in the single digits. Now, tomorrow afternoon, Futurecast not showing a lot here, but I do think that there can be a little more light snow than is shown here in the afternoon. This might give us some fresh coatings. Might have to watch for a few slick spots, especially on secondary roadways and on sidewalks and parking lots and that sort of thing. I'm not expecting much more than a coating out of this, though, tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. And then tomorrow night, temperatures mostly in the teens, and Thursday looks like a pretty benign day. Now, Friday into Saturday, still keeping an eye on what is likely to be a major winter storm for parts of the Northeast, the Mid-Atlantic, even down into the Southeast. Do not think this is going to be a major winter storm here locally. I think the best chance for accumulating snow will be south and east of downtown Youngstown. We're in the, kind of the possible category here in most of our viewing area for accumulating snow. It's not even a given that we see any accumulation out of this. That remains to be seen. It's going to be a close call, but even if we do get some snow accumulation throughout our viewing area, I don't think it's a big storm. I don't think anyone's getting 6 inches or more out of this at this point. I'm not completely taking that off the table, but at this point, I think the chances are not zero, but very low that this is going to be a real big storm. I think for some of us, maybe enough to shovel and plow, but again, not real excited about a big deal. Now, we're going to take a look at the computer models this evening on weather for Weather Geeks on my weather blog at wfmj.com/weather. I'll have that online by about 7:30, 7:45. It's the Valley's most detailed and geeky, and I like to think accurate weather video. Check that out later on this evening, and I'll see you on TV this evening at 6 and 11. Have a great rest of this Tuesday.